Bass fishing has been very slow in the last few weeks, and after a few sessions without a bite, I thought I'd take a break from bass fishing and try to target other species. This time I brought the kayak out. Gustavo's with me and he's gonna be teaching me how to do some crappie fishing. I've never really done specifically crappie fishing before. I've caught a few, but I've never actually targeted them. So I'm gonna be a student today and just try to learn what crappies are all about. So I'm just gonna get in the water and try to catch a few fish. Let's get to it. Okay, it's lunchtime. Ooh, that water's chilly. ¿Qué pasó? Crappie? Oh man, he already caught a crappie. I haven't even launched yet. Oh, let's go. He's already hooked up again. Gustavo's a really great fisherman. I'm gonna start with this little grub on a small jig head. Hopefully that works. The first session this week was very slow. I'm not a crappie fisherman myself, so I really struggled that day. Gustavo did manage to catch himself a few fish, and I noticed he was getting most of his bites casting really tight to cover around docks. So I thought I'd replicate his strategy and give it a go. Como que los crappies no me... se me han escondido ahora. Es la primera vez que pesco solo por crappie.
No, deja que vas a ver, te vas a mojar cuando agarres 15 pulgadas, crappies 14 pulgadas.
Sí. Oh, the first one. Finally, it's about time. Sí, pero está barely hooked. Oh my gosh, first crappie of the day. It was about time. Gorgeous, gorgeous little fish. Took me about, what, 5 hours to catch this little guy. So pale, look at him. Thank you so much, buddy. I would have gone blank if it wasn't for you. There he goes. Today I am out in the Patapsco River. This piece of water is known for having very good trout and smallmouth bass. Now I'm not so experienced with trout fishing myself, but since bass fishing has been very slow recently, I thought I'd just give trout fishing a try. I'm just gonna walk around and hopefully I can catch a couple, but it's fingers crossed really. There is a car in the river and it is structured, so there might be a fish just hiding right behind it, or there might not be, who knows. Just got snagged. First cast got snagged. This is treacherous. Caught a few. What is this? There's little tiny trout in the water. That is so cool. Now I haven't done too much trout fishing up to this point, but I'm really enjoying it, and I'm looking forward to getting more into it in the future, as I'm really enjoying getting in the water, finding new areas to fish, and trout are just absolutely gorgeous fish, and they put up a hell of a fight. So I'm really looking forward to catching some more trout in the future. And that's going to be a wrap for today's episode. I'm sorry I couldn't catch a trout. I'm really struggling. If you have any tips, any suggestions on trout fishing, please let me know in the comment section, because I really need some help when it comes to trout fishing. Just couldn't find them today. And if you're enjoying these short fishing films, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification so that you know when I'll be uploading next time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.